That is
4.
4 is the correct answer. Not clear and right answer. Naeem answer నువ్వు చెప్పినానా 3 minus 2 7 minus 5 6. That is Naeem.
9.
Correct answer. Not clear and right answer. Next Fatma 7 2 minus 5 minus 2 5. That is correct answer. Next Saranya 4 minus 3 5 minus 5 3. That is
4.
correct answer. Short clear and right answer. Next Tulya 2 7 minus 5 minus 2 6. That is
8.
correct answer. Short clear and right answer. Next Vijit 6 2 minus 3 minus 5 6. That is
6.
correct answer. Short clear and right answer. Next Avignesh 5 4 minus 5 minus 2 5. That is
7.
correct answer. Short clear and right answer. Nisha 1 1 6 minus 7 2. That is
4. 3.
3 is the correct answer. Short clear and right answer. Next sum sir.
అయిపోయింది
3 5 3 5 minus 5 minus 3 6. That is
6.
correct answer. Short clear and right answer. Next page లో రాయండి. Next page లో రాయండి. ఓకేనా? బోర్డు మీద సమ్స్ చెప్తాను చేసి ఆన్సర్ చేసినాక స్టార్ట్ చేయండి.